Hello everyone, my name is Nadia Siddique and I am from Ransomware Attack, Pakistan. This is my final project for CS50 Introduction to Cybersecurity, recorded on 1st November 2024. My GitHub is Nadia Siddique and my edX is Nadia Siddique and my topic is Ransomware Attack on Change Healthcare, United States. In this project, I will cover the details of the attack, the security weaknesses that were exploited, and ways to improve cybersecurity. Change Healthcare, a division of United Health Group based in United States, is a leading provider of healthcare technologies solutions. Cybersecurity is the protection of networks, devices, and data from attacks or unauthorized access. I includes using tools and practices to secure sensitive information. Common tools are firewalls that block unauthorized access, encryption to keep data safe by coding it so only the right people can read it, intrusion deduction system that detect usual activity in the network, and multi-factor authentication, which adds extra steps to verify user identity. Cybersecurity is important because it helps prevent threats like ransomware, phishing, and data breaches. In healthcare, cybersecurity is critical because patient data is sensitive and interruptions in service can have serious impact on the care operations. Ransomware attack on Change Healthcare on February 21st, 2024. Change Healthcare was hit by ransomware attack. Ransomware is a type of malicious software that encrypts data, locking out the organization until they pay a ransom to the attackers. This attack disrupted Change Healthcare's payment processing system, causing big delays in processing payments for the healthcare provider and impacting patients who needed to access healthcare services. This attack shows how hackers, even large healthcare organizations, are and why strong cybersecurity measures are needed. Main threats used in the attacks. This attack included multi-cyber threats that we often see in large ransom attacks. Here are the main ones. Ransomware attacks can ransomware to lock change healthcare's data, making it inaccessible until they were paid. Phishing, the attackers use phishing to trick employees into giving information that helped attackers get inside the network. Phishing usually involves emails that look real but are fake, asking people to click a link or provide personal information. RDP exploits people access a computer remotely. Hackers found weaknesses in RDP or remote desktop protocol to access change healthcare system without permission. Credential theft, hackers stole username and password, allowing them to bypass some security measures and access sensitive areas. Command and control services, the attackers used special services to communicate with and control the infected system remotely. These services let them manage their attack from far away. Recommendation for strong security. After this attack, it's clear that healthcare organizations need to improve security to prevent similar incidents. Some key recommendations include multi-factor authentication or regular security audits. Regular audits check the organization's security setup for any weaknesses, find and fix these issues early can prevent attacks. Employee trainings employees need to know how to organize phishing emails and their threats. Regular training can help them avoiding click on and suspicious link or giving out information. An incident response plan prepares the organization for responsible attacks by outlining stop steps to take if an attack happens. A well-prepared team can respond quickly to minimize the damage. In healthcare, cybersecurity is not just about protecting data, it's about protecting lives. Patients' information is very sensitive, and data leaks interruptions can affect patients' care. Hospitals and healthcare providers want quick, accurate access to patient information, and a cyber attack can disrupt this, causing delays and putting patients at risk. Because of these risks, healthcare organizations need to be constantly improving their security measures and keeping up with new threats. Continuous training and investments in cybersecurity are necessary to protect patients and ensure reliable healthcare services. The attack on Change Healthcare caused significant financial damage to United Health Group in the first quarter of 2024. They reported a loss of $872 million due to the attack. This amount included $593 million spent on recording to the cybersecurity, covering costs like hiring experts to deal with the attacks and fixing affected systems. The remaining $279 million was due to business disruptions as the ransomware attack shut down their payment processing. Weak security, such as not having multi factor authentication in place, allowed the hackers to get in. Since the attack, Change Healthcare was improved its security to prevent future incident. Thank you for watching.